finalizing our PDF file. We're just adding a few more buttons for navigation. These elements are on the Adobe Illustrator file that I provided. You can use them or create your own. Just placing them in here and then making sure you go to buttons and forms, choose a button, give it a nice descriptive name. Release and tap is default. We'll leave that on as is. Action, you would go and choose URL and then type it in or paste the URL from the slides or from the actual website if you want to go and look for it yourself, which would be a good thing to do. And that's it. So you've got this button, you've got Eat Bozeman, and then you've got two more on the next page for planning your trip and event. So these two buttons will be created as well. Okay. Last thing is putting a video in here. And you can go to File Place if you want to, whoops, and do it this way. I like going directly to the media panel. There it is. If you don't see it, you can go to Window, to Interactive, to Media. All right, and I'm gonna go to the bottom icon and choose the file. There we go. I'm gonna click and drag, kind of pop it in about this placement here. Give it a little bit to come in through. All right, and you can see in the media panel that it should just play very nicely. It is just a video, not audio. And I'm gonna kind of take it myself and jump through here and find a nice shot that I like. I'm gonna leave it about right there. Whoops, that's about where I want it. Let's put it on pause. Pause. There we go. Bring it back. Okay. And I'm going to poster frame. It's going to affect what's going to appear right away. Click it again from current frame. There we go. Then play on page load. I am getting an icon again. That's not going to work. We'll see what happens. But this should be fine. One thing I want to do here is add a drop shadow. And if you like cleaning up your files, object fitting fit frame to content. Okay, nice and clean, ready to go. You can click here to preview spread before you do this, but it should be set and finalized. Oh, what did I do here? Closing. There we go. All right, so our file is ready to go. I'm going to do a save, and then I'm going to export. And I'm just going to do this as my final copy. And it's going to be a PDF, an interactive file. Clicking on save. And it's saying I'm going to have an issue again with this thing. Okay, hit continue. Pages all, okay, as spreads. Changing this to fit page. And make sure it includes all media files. And I always have this checked, but because I'm having an issue, I'm going to try something a little different because it's worked and then not worked. It's like my 5th time doing it. So I'm just going to take this off for a second and see if that will help everything working properly. Hitting export. We'll hit one more issue here coming through the way. A little patience as it walks through. Okay, I've got one more icon here that pops up. Little message. Waiting. Oh, maybe it just made the PDF already. Let me backtrack one thing though. When you do save this for PDF, make sure you, oh, I did change it already. The blend space is RGB because it's for web, right, and not CMYK. If you have CMYK checked, which is probably normal if it's not set up for web automatically, as a default when you create the file, make sure you change it to document RGB. And let's cross our fingers that this is going to be a lucky moment. Here's my final. Oh, was that today or one of my finals? Today at 12, should be a few minutes earlier. There we go. This should do it. Crossing fingers. Okay, again, you want to check all your nav that everything's working fine before you turn anything in. Go back home. We'll go to Winter Activities. There's my video, and it is working nicely. So all these little links should be working as well. Make sure you check these out, that everything works. On the contents page, you may want to go back to the home page, and I think I did put this in here earlier. So this is probably what needs to be a white arrow to kind of click that to continue in. So make some modifications, just making sure all of your elements for interactivity is working fine. There we go. Click on everything, and then you'll turn in your PDF file.